Good morning everyone. Welcome to Rhythm Classes. My name is Arvind Singh and today's my topic is Class 9th Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System. Today we will understand number system by the help of number line. This is what we call the number line. We know in the previous classes what is number line. In the number line we can see in the middle of the number line there is always a 0. Now suppose if you are standing in the middle of number line, that means if you are standing on a 0 and if you are going to the right side picking up the one by one numbers, then what you get? You are getting just like 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers are in with the positive sign. There is no need to write down the positive sign. You can write it normally, then it will consider automatically in positive. These numbers, whatever you are picking going to the right side, is called natural numbers. These numbers we can denote with the help of and. One more thing is here also, these numbers extend till the plus infinity. And here it expand till the minus infinity. If you are taking this number with 0, then what you get? You get 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. It is represented by the W, whole numbers and natural numbers. Natural numbers when we take number from 1, 2, 3 and so on till the plus infinity, and the whole numbers where we take the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. Now if you look around the left side also along with the right side, then what you get? You will get numbers like 0, plus 2, minus 3, plus 7 and so on. These numbers, all numbers from minus infinity to plus infinities are called integers. We can denote integers with the help of Z. Why Z? Do you think? Why Z? While we are denoting natural numbers with the N, whole numbers with the W, why we are denoting integers with the Z? This Z is coming from the German word which is zählen, which means to count. Okay. Now if we are moving forward, then you will get a new type of numbers which is rational numbers. Now what is rational number? Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q equals to 0. That number we can call rational number. Example of rational number we can say like 5 by 1, 7 by 2, minus 9 by 3, 4 by 6. These type of numbers are called rational number and so on. We can also consider the integers as a rational number because we can put 1 in the denominator of the integers. We can write 2 like 2 by 1. Then it becomes a rational number. This is the simple thing. We can say every integer is a rational number. We will denote the rational number with the help of letter Q. Q means quotient. Quotient, which you know here from here, rational numbers, here is the word ratio. Ratio means to divide something and the result after division is quotient. When we divide any number to another number, the result is quotient. From quotient, this Q is coming from the quotient. Students, now we are going to do some exercise for the better understanding of number system. Our first question is, every whole number is a natural number. Is this true or false? Look here, every whole number is a natural number. It is false. Why? Because 0. 0 is a whole number but not natural number. Okay, coming to our second question, every integer is a rational number. Yes, it is true. We can make rational number from the integer by adding 1 in the denominator of integers. Okay, Our third question is, every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. No, it is not possible. Then it will be wrong. Okay, students, our next question is, find the three rational numbers between 4 and 5. We see in the question there is 3. That means 3. Then we need to add 1 in this number and it becomes 4. That means we have to multiply and divide 4 in the previous number. Okay, we can write the previous number like this and multiply and divide by 4. That becomes 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 4 by 1. Once we get the 16 by 4, then we can write the numbers like 16 by 4, 17 by 4, 18 by 4, 19 by 4, 20 by 4. After writing this number, if we solve this, it becomes 4 and it becomes 5. That means the middle three numbers are three rational numbers between 4 and 5. That numbers are 17 by 4, 18 by 4, 19 by 4. That means our answer becomes 17 by 4, 18 by 4 and 19 by 4. Students, our next question is, find the four rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Now this time we have to find out the four rational numbers between two numbers. Then we can write 4 and add 1 like a previous question and it becomes 5. That means we have to multiply and divide 5 in the first number. Okay, we write 5 by 7 and now multiply with 5 and divide by 5. It becomes 25 by 35. Once we get the 25 by 35, we write here 25 by 35 and 26 by 35, 27 by 35, 28 by 35, 29 by 35, 30 by 35. From here, we can divide it with the help of 5. It becomes 5 by 7, and if we divide this, then it becomes 6 by 7. That means these rational numbers are in the mid of 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Now you can see we get the four rational numbers in the mid of 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Students, if you still have any query on this topic or you want to solve more questions on this topic, you can follow us in Facebook and Twitter. Links are given in the description below. Thank you. Jai Hind.